Hey guys, I wanted to make a real quick video here again, just showing the awesome packaging that the 18650 battery store did with these brand new lf280k cells. Super impressed with them so far, and I wanted to show you how well they come packaged. So let's have a nice box, and I ordered quite a few of these guys. Well, enough to build two 16S banks, plus two for spares. And each box that I opened has been the same, so we open that up. Sometimes there's the odd screw that gets out of the bag here. There's a lot of handling that happens. So count those after. See, there's another one. So far I haven't lost one though. I've done a whole bank. And then there's this big foam, which is almost suction cupped to the cells, and it would be easier if I had two hands, but I have to use two hands for a second. Very tight. Tight is good. Open that up, and the cells nicely sleeping in here. Now, every cell that I've pulled out has been poker straight. If you match them side by side, it is amazing how flush they are compared to the ones that I've ordered direct from China. I realize I'm not maybe comparing apples to apples, but like, look at that. This is amazing. So yeah, super happy with these, especially compared to my B grade ones that I'm used to, and pretty excited to build this pack out.